Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to talk about something very different that will make you feel very nice at the end of the video, because it's something that I have been figuring out, just but wondering how the life is going on. Am I wrong? Am I doing the wrong things? Am I approaching life differently or what? But if you're tired, confused, or losing faith in yourself, stop scrolling. This next minute is for you. You see, most people don't learn this until life hits them hard. But I'm going to tell you right now, so you don't spend years carrying the weight I did. What took me years to realize, I'm going to tell you in minutes. I used to think everyone else was ahead of me, that I wasn't doing enough, becoming enough, or moving fast enough. Every day felt like a silent competition. I was somehow always losing. But here's the truth. The truth I wish someone whispered to me sooner. You are not late. Life is not a race. It's not a lifetime. It's a journey, and some of the most beautiful paths took the longest to walk. So if you feel behind right now, you are not. You're just on your own route. Number 2, the slower steps still count. Progress is progress. Even when it's quiet, even when no one sees it, even when you feel like you are barely holding on, you are growing in ways that don't show up on the outside yet. Number 3, the people who doubt you don't get to define you. I let their voices silence mine for years, until I realized something. The moment you stop listening to them, your own voice gets louder, and that changes everything. Number 4, one day it will all make sense. The heartbreak, the setbacks, the days you questioned your worth, none of it was wasted. Life was shaping you into someone stronger than you even knew you were capable of becoming. Number 5, you deserve good things right now. Not when you're perfect, not when you're successful, not when you feel ready. Now, as you are. So yeah, it is everything I learned the hard way, everything that took me years to understand. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are becoming, and you are doing better than you think. Take a breath, keep going. Your story isn't ending, it's just standing in the path you'll one day be proud of, and you'll never give up on again. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.